Let's discuss Tory Lanez. He is back on our timelines. What a joy for us. Government name Daystar Little Leprechaun Peterson has been in the news because he was attacked in jail. And not that I don't care whether or not he was attacked, it's just not the purpose of this video. The purpose of this video is because a press conference was held on his behalf by United the People. I went to their website and they described themselves as a nonprofit organization in which lawyers and activists fight for social justice and assist their community in any way that they can. At this press conference, a man by the name of Walter Rogers said he was an attorney. I searched the California State Bar. He's not licensed in California. I'm not sure where he's licensed, but he spoke about Tory Lanez's innocence and said the rapper never fired a gun and that it was Megan Pete's friend, Kelsey Harris, who actually fired the gun. He gave a statement. He didn't offer any evidence. He said, he has said that Harris was the one who fired at Megan 3 times. Tory Lanez, being the savior that he is, grabbed her arm, knocked the gun down, and then the gun fired 2 more times. Again, this is what he said. No evidence, just his statement that Tory Lanez never fired a gun, and he's saying that this aligns with the statement of the only non-party witness in the case of Mr. Sean Kelly. Sean Kelly did take the stand during the trial, and he testified that early in the morning on July 12th of 2020, he looked out of his window and he saw 4 people fighting and shouting at each other, and it seemed like a violent confrontation. Then there were 5 shots. There were other people at this press conference who spoke. Diana London, who is the CEO of Secret Weapon Agency, Sunstar Peterson, who is Tory's father, also known as, just the older leprechaun, spoke as well. They are fighting for Tory's freedom. Again, where's the evidence? This is just a press conference. So, if you want to remember what happened with Kelsey Harris, the one that they're trying to put this on, she was granted immunity during that trial. She got on the stand and played in our face and pled the fifth and didn't answer any questions while she was on the stand. Well, Daystar Peterson was found guilty of assault with a semi-automatic handgun, carrying a loaded, unregistered firearm in a vehicle, and discharging a firearm with gross negligence. You're wondering? Yeah, he did. He was convicted of all 3 felonies, and he was sentenced to 10 years. They did appeal, the legal route, saying that there was an improper admission or exclusion of evidence, which is a proper ground for an appeal. That appeal was denied in 2023, so he was not granted a new trial. So the press conference was for them calling on the California governor, Gavin Newsom, to step in and free Tory Lanez, Daystar Peterson, so that he can return home. And to that I say, Tory, Daystar, Little Leprechaun, he is home. His current residence is a California prison, and I need for him to stay at that house until the end of his sentence. Because again, where's the evidence? They got up there and she said, with no evidence, the appeal has already been denied. So let the leprechaun stay where he belongs. Until next time.